Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel KM510. In this video, we will discuss about modern periodic table. This is modern periodic table that we will discuss in today's video. So, first, what is need of classification of elements? As we know, today's 118 elements are known. Then for our simplification in their study, we have to classify them. Process of classification is not started recent days but from very early days. Initially, classification was so simple into two groups. First is metal and second is non-metal. Later on, another metalloids are added. As the knowledge about elements and their properties went on increasing, different scientists started trying out different method of classifications. Then, history of classification of elements. Dobereiner's triad. He made group of 3 elements each having similar chemical properties and called them triads. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic masses and showed that atomic masses of middle element was approximately equal to the mean of atomic masses of other 2 elements. However, all known elements could not be classified into Dobereiner's triad. Example: lithium, sodium, potassium. Second one is Newland's law of octave. In the year 1866, Newland arranged the element known at that time in increasing order of their atomic masses. It started with the lightest element, hydrogen, and ended up with the thorium. He found that every 8th element had properties similar to those of the first. Third one is Mendeleev's periodic table. The Russian scientist Mendeleev developed periodic table of elements during the period 1869 to 1872. Mendeleev's periodic table is the most important step in the classification of elements. Mendeleev considered atomic mass as a fundamental or as a standard and arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of atomic masses. And fourth one is modern periodic table. Modern periodic table was discovered by Henry Moseley. Properties of element are periodic function of their atomic number. Now, this is modern periodic table. In this periodic table, there are 18 columns which have known as group. First group is present to 18th group is present, and there are 7th row which is called as periods, and apart that there are 2 rows are present bottom to the modern periodic table that are called as lanthanide series and actinide series. Now, the modern periodic table. Arrangement of the element in increasing order of their atomic number. As we discussed that the modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows which are called as periods. Similarly, 18 vertical columns which are called as groups. The arrangement of periods and groups result in the formation of boxes. Atomic number are serially indicated in the upper of the boxes. Each box corresponds to the place of one element. Here we can see vanadium having a symbol V, and 23 is its atomic number, and modern periodic table is considered as increasing atomic number. So here 21, 23, 24, 25, these are the atomic number of element with increasing order. Apart from these 7 rows, 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of periodic table. These are called as lanthanide and actinide series respectively. Here 2 rows are present and these are called as lanthanide and actinide series. Now this is modern periodic table. Modern periodic table are classified into 4 blocks, which is S, P, D, F block. Here you can see S block. S block is present in group first and second. Group first we can say alkali metal and group second alkaline earth metal. Then D block is present in group 3 to 12. It is also called as transition elements. P block is in 13th to 18th group. 18th group is also called as inert element or noble gas element. And apart that, F block is at the bottom of periodic table. Now we have disk. S block is group first and second. P block is group 13 to 18th. D block is group 3 to 12, and F block is lanthanide series and actinide series. This is one characteristics of modern periodic table. Here we can see one zigzag line present in modern periodic table. We seen that orange color of zigzag line is present in periodic table. This separate out metals and non-metals. Upper part of zigzag line which is non-metals, and lower part of zigzag line which is metals. On the zigzag line there are presence of metalloids. Here in periodic table, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, bromine are the non-metals. Aluminium, gallium, indium, tin, phosphorus, zinc, cadmium are the metals, and silicon, gallium, arsenic are the metalloids. Now features of modern periodic table. In period, as we go from left to right, there is a decrease in atomic radius, increasing electronegativity and non-metallic character, decreasing electropositivity and metallic character. In group from top to bottom, there is increasing atomic radius, decreasing electronegativity and non-metallic character, and increasing electropositivity and metallic character. So this is modern periodic table. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.